Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
You get asked this a lot, but why did you choose the name Sykkuno? So Sykkuno doesn't really mean anything. Some people said it sounds Japanese or something. Yeah, I just thought it sounded cool. Thought it sounded cool, that's it. What's your real name? That's already been leaked repeatedly, but I don't know, I just feel awkward saying it. Let's be honest, guys. My real name doesn't matter too much because even my friends just call me Sykkuno. I call Toast Toast, even though I know his real name. So, does a name mean that much? To the government, I think it does, but obviously, you know, as long as people know who you're saying, that's what matters to me, so I just go by my screen name. Toast, obviously, Toast's name is not Toast, but I call him Toast anyway, it's just what we're used to. Yeah, his name's not Toast. I don't know if that's a big surprise, but I just go by names. I like Skara. I don't think his name is Skara. I call him Skara. Peter, though, Peter and Michael, their screen names happen to be the same as their real names, so I guess that kind of... I leaked... Oh, man. Oh, no, you're right, guys. I leaked... I bet everybody thought that Toast's name was actually Toast, but I leaked it, guys. Toast is actually not named Toast. Oh, man. Who could have guessed? Who could have guessed? Oh, you're right. Yeah, you got it, guys. His first name is Disguised. His last name is Toast. Yup. Yeah. Anyway, that's just my opinion on names, guys. Like, it's not... I don't know. As long as you know who you're calling, like, that's what matters, I think. Don't call Jody Jade, though. So the reason I don't call Jody Jade now is because there's JD, who I call Jade now. So like to avoid the mix-up, I don't call Jody Jade now. I call her Jody because there's another Jade. They're both Jades now, so it's a little... Just trying to make it more simple, you know? But guys, we did get a couple things in the P.O. box, and we could open those things now, or we could save it up. Because I think we have a grand total of 3 things. 2 of them look like small, like letters, and 1 is a package. So we could either save it to do a big thing, or just open the two or three things right now. Save it, open it. Yeah, it's kind of hard to say, guys. I feel like, you know, it depends on how many packages we get, right? Because what if we have to wait like a month? That would be a long time, or at least I feel like it'd be a long time. This is tough. A poll is probably not the best way to do it, guys, and here's why. I don't think a poll is the best way to do it. Because that's just random majority, right? It's not even like, you know... forget it. Let's just open it. Alright, look, guys, we're gonna get like 3 packages. I think there's no point in waiting, because, like, we're barely getting packages anyway. We're gonna have to wait like a year before we can do a full opening video for, like, more than, like, 10 minutes. I'm just saying... Alright, let's open it up. Alright, so here's the thing, guys. We are not going to open it on stream because I don't know what's in these packages. So if I get something real weird, I'm gonna not show it on stream because you don't know, you never really know what you're going to get. So I'm going to open it like under the screen. Does this dude wrote his name and address. Well, good thing I didn't show that on stream because I think this dude just wrote his actual name and his address on... Okay, well, good thing. So I'm going to open it under here. I'm going to make sure I don't show that because it's really awkward. Yeah. Wow, this is kind of weird. This dude lives kind of close to me. Anyway. Okay, I kind of wonder if he just dropped it off himself at this point, but, alright, let's see what he gave me, guys. Why would you say that? I don't know. I mean, he's near my P.O. box, so... Alright. Let's, Alright, I said dude, but... It's got, like, a cute little thing. Can you guys even see this? It's like a little thing with dogs on it. Alright. Alright. I'm not sure what this is. Girl, it's probably... Guys, it's definitely a dude, I think. And then... Another thing with cats on it. Okay. Oh, some kind of message. Hope you like the small gift. Don't forget to take a break. Bring a snack. Pet Bimbus for me. All right, that was a nice message. I really like the paper. It's really cute. It has like this little cat and his little dog. I'm pretty sure it's a guy. I think. Okay, I'm gonna put that away. I don't want to lose it. And they made a little crane thingy. All right. And then there's this package here. Bimbus approves. Okay. Oh, I think this is the person they showed me this already. It's like a little star thingy with a scarf. Maybe I can, if I get corona from this, I'm gonna be sad. I'm pretty sure this is a few weeks old though. All right. It's like a little bottle with stars in it. My hand's shaking. Oh, you can't even see. Okay, that's pretty cute. Thanks, Cat Doodler. They're probably not even here. All right, well, that was the first thing we got, and then we got. Oh, Levi, thanks for the Twitch Prime. New lighting? Nah, it happens every time around this time of day. All right, and we have another thing. Wait, does this have their address on it? Okay, this one doesn't have their address on it. That's good. And it says open it on stream specifically. So I guess we're opening this on stream. Oh, Cat Doodler's here. Wow, thanks for the gift, Cat Doodler. That was the first one we opened. So I'm still gonna open it here. If something pops up, I'm closing my P.O. box. If this is one of those glitter bombs, I'm closing it. All right. Well, what's? Oh, wait, nope. It's I think it's like a bracelet or something that's supposed to look like the scarf, I imagine. Wait, does this say something on it? I can't tell if this is supposed to be a word. I have no idea. It looks like a bracelet or something, though. I think I'm blind. I don't know if it's random or if it's supposed to be a word, but either way, that's Ebo's. Who's Ebo? Well, they have a card here of a cat. People keep sending me cat things, and it says pretend this is Bimbus right there. Okay. Friendship bracelet. Have you heard of Twitch Prime? Okay. Let's see. I have very poor... Oh, wait. I shouldn't read this out. This is... Okay, let me just... Oh, it is from someone called Ebo. At the bottom, it says they're a female fan. Likely story. Likely story. As you guys know, everyone on the internet's a guy. But thank you very much, Ebo. Well, glad you enjoy watching the stream, and I will keep this bracelet thingy. Is this supposed to say something on it? Is this supposed to say something on it, guys, or I have no idea. I think I'm blind. It looks like it says Hi Kuno on it, but yeah, I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you very much, Ebo. All right. Hi, Kuno. No, I'm just kidding. I actually, I don't know if it's supposed to say anything. I think it's just stripes or something. But thanks a bunch, Ebo and Cat Doodler. All right, guys. So we have one last gift, and it's a pretty big one, and I really hope this guy's here for this. So this is the last one, and it's a big gift. These are really cute gifts, though. They were both handmade, so that was really nice. It had really cute papers, but here's the last one we got. I have no idea what this is, but it came like in this bag. It looks fancy. I'm just saying. I don't know what this is, but it sure looks fancy. It came in a big bag. Has like a little card and everything. It's fancy looking. Enjoy your gift from Gentle Gamer. He's probably not, he or she, he's probably not here right now. Amazon gift wrap. It did come in an Amazon package, so it looks expensive. It's a bicycle. I highly doubt it. How do you open this? I hope it didn't cost extra for this. Well, let's see. It's a car. Guys, I don't have a car. A gaming headset. Oh, we'll see, guys. I don't know. It came straight from Amazon, I'm pretty sure, so he's just buying me something, I think. Alright. Oh, it's headphones. I don't know what this is. I'm not sponsored. It's headphones. Alright. You know what we gotta do, right, guys? We gotta see how expensive these were. Alright. I'm gonna Google it right now. I'm gonna Google it right now. Just to see. You gotta do it. Holy poop, these were pretty expensive. Well, okay, these were pretty expensive headphones. They're earbuds, it says. Alright, well, thanks, gamer. Use it. Oh, man, I don't know how to open this box, guys. It's gonna take too long. How much? I think it was like $80. I think that's pretty expensive. That's a lot of... Well, thank you for the headphones. Gentle gamer. Really appreciate it. Alright. Pog, put them on. I feel like I have to adjust, like, the size and stuff. So I'll probably use it next stream. Next stream, perhaps. But thanks a bunch. And that's all we got, guys. We got this little bracelet. Do I put this on? Maybe I'll just put this on. Even though you can't see it. This is weird. If I get corona, so help me. I'm just kidding. Unboxing stream? Guys, unboxing stream's done now. It's done now. That's all we got. We got 3 things. The headphones are nice. I'll definitely use them. And see how they are. And then the other stuff was really cute. So that was cool.